Hey there YouTube, welcome back to my channel WoodandStuff with another fantastic idea. Today we're going to tackle something that's been bothering me for a while. Actually, it's been bothering my wife. The freaking headlight lenses on her Honda Odyssey. Man, are they bad. And I mean, visibility was a serious issue when driving at night because the lenses made the light so dim. So I decided to try out the Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. Let me show you how it went. Hey, just a quick heads up before we dive in. If you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Also, I've included links to all the products and tools featured in this video in the description below. Check them out if you're interested, and hey, thanks in advance for all your support. Now, I'll be honest, I wasn't sure how this product was going to work. I was a skeptic, having tried a few other kits before with mixed results, so I wasn't sure what to expect. But I was hopeful since Cerakote is a very popular brand and known for its coatings on firearms, so I figured, hey, I'll give it a shot. This kit promises long-lasting results with a ceramic coating that should stand the test of time. So enough talk, let's get into this. So first things first, we need to clean and prep the headlights thoroughly before we go to the first step. Even though the kit includes everything you need, which includes cleaning wipes, sanding discs, and the ceramic coating wipes, it's crucial to start by washing your lenses first to remove any oil and debris. So to do this, I used Dawn Power Wash Platinum Dish Soap Spray along with a sponge and a hose, and here's what I did. I rinsed both lenses with water to remove loose dirt and dust, sprayed the dishwashing soap onto the lenses, and then scrubbed them with a sponge to ensure they were completely clean. Then I thoroughly rinsed off the soap using the water hose, and then thoroughly dried off the lenses using paper towels and an air compressor with a blower nozzle attachment just to be sure. Now, with the initial cleaning done, I began the detailed steps as outlined on the Cerakote website. Here's how the process works step by step. Step 1. Removing oxidation. Start by using the oxidation remover wipes. They're marked conveniently Step 1. And these are designed to remove surface oxidation from the headlights. It's as simple as wiping down each headlight thoroughly to get rid of that yellowish haze, if you have it. Mine didn't have the yellow haze, but you still have to apply it. And you have to make sure to use all 4 packets, one right after the other. Okay, step 2, sanding. Next up is the sanding process. This kit includes a sanding pommel and 2 sanding discs. You're going to want to start with the coarser 2000 grit disc and sand each headlight to remove any remaining deep oxidation, ensuring to keep the lens surface and sanding disc wet with water. Very important. You want to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you're done with the 2000 grit disc, you're going to switch to the finer 3000 grit disc to get a smoother finish. Again, making sure to maintain a wet surface for another 2 to 3 minutes. The last sanding preps the headlight for the ceramic coating. And don't worry if the headlight looks a bit hazy after this step, it's normal. Lastly, you want to rinse your lenses with water and dry them off. Bone dry. Do not leave any moisture behind or the ceramic coating will not adhere to the lens. I used an air compressor with an air blower attachment to ensure I dried everything very well before going on to the final step, or step 3. Okay, step 3, ceramic coating. Finally, we're going to use the ceramic coating wipes, which is marked number 3 on the package. This is the key part that sets the Cerakote kit apart from the others. The ceramic coating bonds to the surface, restoring clarity and providing long-lasting protection against UV rays and future oxidation. And the way you're going to apply this is going from one end to the other in a back and forth motion in one direction, and you're going to go lengthwise, so you're not going to go up and down. And do not apply using circular motions, just smooth movements back and forth. Also, you want to overlap each lap by 50% until the entire lens is covered. And if you get any of the ceramic coating onto your paint, don't worry about it. That can be wiped off with a dry towel. Now, after you apply the Cerakote ceramic coating, you want to make sure that you let it dry for at least 60 minutes. It's very important that you do not expose it to any kind of moisture in the process of it drying. I waited about 12 hours, basically waiting till the next morning until I took the van out for a drive. And then that's it. You're done. Now let's look at the results. Here's the before. Here are the headlights before the restoration. They're cloudy. They're hard to see through. Like I said, at night, the light was extremely dim. It was just plain awful and dangerous to drive at night with the lenses looking like this. Now here is the after. After the restoration, you could see that they are crystal clear and looking almost brand new. I have to say, I'm thoroughly impressed. For only $16.88 at the time of this video, not bad, right? Especially when you consider that a new lens would cost hundreds of dollars just for one single lens. I think this was a great job and saved a lot of money. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks here at WoodandStuff. See you next time.